What's my average consumption?
Your average consumption since the last reset has been 17.5 litres per 100 kilometres.
Has changed to make everyday healthcare easier. For the